Hello. Today I'll show you how to fix Microsoft Teams error CAA20002 on Windows. Step 1. Adjust Internet settings. Open the Start menu and type Internet options. Click on the result to open it. Go to the Advanced tab. Scroll down and uncheck Use TLS 1.0 and use TLS 1.1. Click Apply and then OK. Step 2. Repair or reset Microsoft Teams. Open the Start menu, type Programs, and select Add or Remove Programs. Search for Teams in the app list. Click the three dots next to Teams and choose Advanced Options. Scroll to the Reset section. First try Repair. This won't delete any data. If it still doesn't work, choose Reset. This will delete app data and sign-in info. Once done, restart your computer. Teams should now work without the CA2002 error. Thanks for watching and see you in the next tutorial.